This is Phil from Rtint, and today I'm going to show you how to smoke your lights using an Rtint bubble-free wrap. Before you begin, make sure that your light has been properly cleaned. We recommend using Rapid Prep or any other suitable cleaning solution that you know isn't going to damage your light or the adhesive back tint. Each wrap comes with a quick install guide and application card. Rtint is available in a number of sizes to wrap just about any light. Just make sure to have purchased enough film for your installation. Compare the wrap to the light. Trim some, but not all of the excess tint, as this will make it easier to install the wrap. Now, even though Rtint is bubble-free and repositionable, you can still use a slip solution like Rapid Tack to both help you align your kit and promote long-term adhesion. Begin by carefully removing the tint from the craft liner. Align the film to one edge of your light and gently tack it into position. Look at the light and decide which part is going to be the easiest to work with first. Plan your installation by starting with the easiest part of your light. Rtint has air egress technology built right into the film. This high-quality, bubble-free cast vinyl is incredibly stretchy and forgiving to work with. This allows for weekend warriors and professional restylers to smoke their lights in half the time. Apply the tint slowly and carefully. Avoid large sweeping motions that may wrinkle the film. If you do get a wrinkle, simply lift the film, apply a little heat, and the wrinkle should come out. Unlike with pre-cut kits, wraps have the distinct advantage of excess film that allows you to pull and stretch the film over even the largest bumps. The film can now be trimmed with a razor or craft knife. Carefully and slowly remove the trim film, apply the finishing touches, and get ready to ride. If you like what you just saw, give us a thumbs up, and please don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great install and DIY videos.